this is my first update with the LetPot seedling system. And I have genuinely set this and forget this since I planted them 5 days ago. 5 days ago, I turned this thing on, went to the app, set it for what I have in there, which is basil and cilantro, and I cannot tell you how absolutely shocked I was to come out here today and see this on the inside a mere few days after planting this and closing it up and waiting. So this is update 1 on this system. So far, so amazing. Let's see how far we can go into 22 days.
Just wanted to do a quick peek in. I'm so afraid to disrupt this thing, but it's been doing so well. So I'll let you come down here and look. I've been monitoring on my app, but we are at the 18-day mark and it's keeping track of the temperature and everything else inside of here. Now let me lift this up a little so I can give you a peek. I'm gonna have you look underneath the tray when I lift it to see what we have going on. Look at that. I'm so excited. I'm gonna wait till the 21-day mark to pull these out and replant them, but I will keep filming. Finally to the point where I'm going to show you how this truly was the crock pot version of doing seedling of my plants, because I honestly never touched it again other than to do little peaks because I did not need to add moisture. The combination of the heating plate and the essential light over the enclosure here kept this as moist as it is here the whole time, plus the security I had with that app and my little soil moisture tester back here giving me an idea the whole time as to what situation I was in. Incredible. So we are now at day 24. I meant to get these out at day 21, but day 24, and I'm going to show you where you can see that if you come on down and look at the very front of the panel. So not only did I have access on the app to see where I was, but you actually have the same access directly on the unit here. So it shows you that I'm at day 24. We're going to open this up and I'm going to let you see exactly what we have, because I am ready to transfer some of this over. Let me just turn this off. I'm ready to transfer some of this over to their home. So here I have a lot of good springy cilantro and basil is I think where I started. I'm gonna take them out. Now you can see how much moisture I've kept inside of here. I'm gonna take them and go ahead, make a little spot and plant them, but I wanted you to be able to see how still rich and moist my seedling homes are. Squeezing water out of this because it maintained such a perfect amount of moisture for them. Let me grab out some more here. Just phenomenal, good plants ready to go in the ground. This is just a great tool to not have to constantly be tending to your seedlings, to have the perfect environment, and also to be able to watch real time what you need to do to make sure that you're gonna have a healthy crop to start the season with. So definitely recommend this from LetPot. This has been a game changer for my garden.